In this video, I will show you how to fix the YouTube icon option not showing and install YouTube as an app on your desktop. Let's get started. First, I open my browser and type YouTube into the address bar to search for it. I click on the official YouTube link to open the website. Once the homepage loads, I head over to the top right corner and click on the three vertical dots menu. From the drop-down list, I hover down to Cast, Save, and Share. Here, I select Install YouTube. A pop-up window appears asking to install the app, so I click on the Install button. YouTube immediately opens as a standalone application window on my computer. Now, I close this window and go back to my desktop screen. As you can see, the YouTube desktop icon shortcut is now successfully created and visible right here. I double-click on the YouTube icon to open it up. The app launches smoothly without needing to open a browser manually first. To make sure everything is working properly, I click on a video to start playing it. I skip the ad once it appears, and the video starts playing right away without any issues. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.